Decades after he was convicted of killing his wife, Scott Peterson was back in court today. The nonprofit LA Innocence Project is representing Scott. They're trying to get him a new trial by gathering new evidence. A San Mateo County judge saying today additional DNA testing will be allowed in the case, but Peterson's lawyers did not get everything that they asked for. Fox 40's Dennis Shanahan joining us now in studio with more about what the judge decided and what it could mean for the case moving forward. Dennis?
Well, Nikki, Scott Peterson's lawyers are asking that several items be tested for DNA, items they contend could prove he didn't kill his wife and unborn son. The judge allowed testing of just one item.
There is no evidence in this case where this crime was committed.
Lawyers for convicted murderer Scott Peterson back in a Redwood City courtroom Wednesday as part of an effort to prove he didn't kill his wife Lacey and unborn son Connor 22 years ago. Peterson watched the proceeding from a video feed in Mule Creek State Prison. Judge Elizabeth Hill ruled that a piece of duct tape found on Lacey's pants may be tested, but she denied DNA testing on 13 other items, including some that were connected to a burglary at a home near the Petersons at the time and a mattress found in a burned-out van in Modesto.
It has to be relevant to the issue of identity of perpetrator.
Attorney Mark Reichel is not connected to the Peterson case, but he is following it closely. He says the judge likely came to the conclusion that items other than the duct tape did not meet specific legal threshold for new testing.
And I think that she just makes a finding that, the burglars and the van just aren't enough.
But he says there's valid reason for Peterson's lawyers to ask for new DNA testing.
The advances in DNA technology are amazing. Transferable DNA can help and hurt, either side. It's amazing. Now we can test such a small amount of DNA, almost like a molecule. They can take it out and get a great reading from it.
The defense has the right to take advantage of that.
Attorney Laura Uretzian was on Peterson's original defense team.
That burglary happened the morning of Lacey's disappearance. And the idea that she had confronted them and they'd abducted her is not far-fetched at all. Don't we all want the truth to come out? And the Los Angeles Innocence Project is paying for this. It's not like the courts are going to be paying for it.
Prosecutors stand by their original case against Scott Peterson.
People know the truth. We know that Scott Peterson is guilty of them, and he's been convicted of the murder of his wife and unborn son.
Peterson's lawyers have another court appearance scheduled for July. Nikki and Eric.